Welcome to Living and Investing in Tampa Bay. I'm Angie Trapp, your local realtor. We're going to explore the Tampa Bay area and all that it has to offer. So first, we're going to talk about debunking guru myths. There are a lot of real estate gurus out there. I'm sure you're listening to some, maybe not so much to others, but let's talk a little bit about what they're telling you is the right thing, and then we'll talk about what's the real right thing. You've heard the big investors, Grant Cardone, Pace Morby, Rob Abasola with the hair. They have their thing to say about what real estate investing is. I'm here to give you the scoop on what it really is. As an investor, the reason I got into real estate was because I know it's really important to have an ally and an expert on your side. I didn't have that. So I decided when I became a property manager on my own properties that being a realtor was going to be the right choice for me so that I could help other investors get where they need to be. I think the thing that is out there that is completely wrong is the gurus are telling you that it is a cash cow. It's easy. Just buy a property, get on your yacht, go sailing away. I'm here to tell you, it is not easy. And in today's market, it's harder than ever. But it is a situation where an investor has the opportunity to take the numbers and find the right property for them. And when you find the right property and the numbers work, that's how real estate investing is a win for an investor. The price range is going to vary depending on whether or not you're looking for a single family home or for a condo. There are some fantastic condos, especially here in the Clearwater Beach area, but you're looking at $700,000 or $800,000 for a condo that may or may not have a large assessment coming up, which is something we need to talk about moving forward. But if you're getting a single family home, you